Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this two-tier printer stand, which I think it comes really well protected with foam and plastic wrap, as you can see. Let's take out of this package, okay? And you can see it's a black finish one, which I think it's nice. It comes with all the instructions on how to assemble it, okay, and all the pieces that comes included to assemble it. So, well, let's go ahead and assemble it and let's see how it works, how it looks, and place it with our printer, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the installation process is actually really easy. In the instruction manual, it's really clear, so you don't have to worry about anything. All the steps are really well described, which I think it's great. It's really easy to install. It doesn't take that much long, and I think it's a really nice option to have on your office, in your house, wherever you need it. I think it's gonna do an amazing work because you have a lot of space where to place, well, different kind of paper sheets, different sizes, or wherever you need to have at the side of your printer. I think it's really nice. And overall, I think it's great because it has a really nice material quality, a really nice design, and I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.